most amazing fridges. You know, this is a phenomenal piece of apparatus that I think down the line can actually save you money. This, for me, is little jewel in the crown because this is called the aerator. It's slightly beveled, so the secret behind this, you get a carton of skim milk, and we're going to aerate that skim milk into almost like a bit of a smoothie. Then we're going to flavour that with raspberries, and it's a great way of sort of introducing fruit to kids in a way that you can somewhat disguise fruit in there. Whether you want to put a fresh peach in there, whether you want to put raspberries, blackberries, or even strawberries. But it's a really nice sort of afternoon snack that is very healthy and gets them up to speed with eating a lot of fruit early, quickly, and completely stressless to get this done. So, 5 minutes before you make this, just get your skim milk and stick it in the freezer so it gets really nice and cold, because the colder the milk, okay, the frothier and the lighter it will become. In, just 1/3 full, 1/3 full, and watch. Again, in. Now, just watch that take place. It's already starting to thicken, and now it's got the texture of double cream. Within 15 seconds of being in there, but look, I'm going to put my raspberries in there very, very quickly. Raspberries in, and again, blend. And within seconds, look at the change of colour. It smells amazing. And if you want to put a little bit of fresh basil in there, basil's raspberry and skim milk, perfect. Now look. That has to be the perfect smoothie. That's quick, easy, totally healthy, nothing but. As an afternoon snack for the kids, in between meals, that's perfect. And that was made out of skim milk, fresh raspberries, and the Bamix. You know, I've got 4 kids under the age of 8, and the most important thing about looking after them is making sure that they totally understand the balance between their fruit, their vegetables, their fish and their meat, and in a way that they don't become fussy with eating. And blending fresh raspberries through skim milk, it takes 30 seconds to do the most amazing smoothie. It is delicious. And they all have their favourite smoothies, but the fact it's actually made out of skim milk is healthy. It's high in vitamin C on the back of the raspberries, and again, it can be done all year round depending on what kind of fruit you want to use. If you want something a little bit more chilled, then don't be scared to actually freeze the fruit prior to doing it. We've done it with frozen blackberries before, frozen strawberries, and even mango. Mango and skim milk, delicious. It's fascinating, when customers come into your kitchen, all they want to know is what you've got. You know, what kind of pan you're using, you know, how'd you finish that sauce? How'd you get it so light? Is that a whisk? You know, what'd you do? And so they sit memorised, you know, and just absorb what's going on. And they see these little Bamixes standing in the middle of a pot, 30 seconds before it goes out, and each dish just finished, zap, 30 seconds, creates that lightness, and they get excited about that, and of course they want to go home and try them. When you cut with a knife, you've got to feel really comfortable about the handle. And the most exciting thing about the Bamix, it locks into the palm of your hand, so it's comfortable, and it's fingertip control. You start on low speed, increase to high speed, and honestly, it's like making fresh pasta. Once you've done it once, you want to continue doing it every time you look at processed pasta in a completely different way. Once you've held a Bamix, you won't want to go back. It has to be the Ferrari of kitchen utensils in a way that doesn't get any better than that. Enjoy it. It's extraordinary.